My name's Lonnie Gustin. I'm with Hayden Outdoors, and we are at the Sweeney River Ranch in northwest Colorado, kind of halfway between Meeker, Colorado and Craig, Colorado. The Sweeney River Ranch is 3,400 acres plus or minus. There's over 2,000 acres of irrigated meadow plus river bottom. It's a pleasure to represent the ranch, and it's a really exceptional ranch with excellent water rights and irrigated production.
The Sweeney River Ranch, located in northwest Colorado, consists of roughly 3,378 acres of lush green hayfields, rolling hills, and approximately 9.5 miles of the Yampa River winding through the heart of the property. The flat hay meadows with partial wooded areas creep into the rolling sagebrush-covered hills, slowly rising into the steep slopes of Duffy Mountain and cedar-filled draws. As the land rises up the draws, there are clear benches that offer phenomenal views that stretch from Juniper Mountain all the way to Black Mountain, with many other smaller mountains in the distance. As a result of various types of terrain, one may frequently see a variety of species such as elk, deer, antelope, and waterfowl throughout the property. The ranch is located 20 minutes southeast of Maybell, Colorado, and 30 minutes southwest of Craig, Colorado, which provides the closest grocery stores, hardware stores, local businesses, and restaurants. By continuing south on County Road 17, Meeker, Colorado is roughly 45 minutes away. Vernal, Utah is approximately 1 hour and 45 minutes to the west of the property and offers many different amenities. For closest air travel, Yampa Valley Regional Airport is located in Hayden, Colorado, which is just under 1 hour to the east of the ranch. Located on the property are 4 homes, 2 of which currently have residents living in them. A barn used as an equipment and storage shop is also located adjacent to the house on the river. Throughout the property, you will find several quality sets of corrals used for livestock, one of which has certified scales. There are also numerous hay stack yards dispersed around the ranch that have been well maintained. The Sweeney River Ranch is located in hunting units 301 and 211. The ranch qualifies for multiple landowner vouchers for deer and antelope, whereas elk tags can be bought over the counter for multiple seasons. The ranch also borders thousands of acres of BLM on multiple sides for additional hunting, fishing, hiking, horseback riding, and off-roading. Take your fishing pole and test your luck in the 9.5 miles of Yampa River that meanders through the property, holding pike, bass, and trout, or hop in a raft and enjoy floating the river to the many takeout locations. The land consists of approximately 1,434 acres of quality hayfields under pivot, gated pipe, and flood irrigation. Having an efficient source of water for irrigation, the hayfields throughout the ranch are always plentiful. At least one haystack yard is located in or near each field due to the abundant amount of hay this ranch puts up each year. One of the most unique features of the Sweeney Ranch is that it encompasses the outlet of the Duffy irrigation tunnel. In the early 1900s, Charles Duffy noticed that his land and neighboring ranches below Duffy Mountain had limited production due to the lack of water. To solve this, he and an engineer created a plan to dig a 2,000-foot tunnel through the base of Duffy Mountain and divert a portion of the Yampa River, a feat that took 6 years to complete. Although the river has changed over the years, the tunnel is still used to irrigate a portion of the ranch, in addition to multiple alternate points of diversion via pump stations. For more information and a private qualified showing, please contact Lonnie Gustin at 970-629-0520.